Tired of breaking your back in the garden? Discover the LawnMaster TE1318W1, the electric tiller that makes soil preparation a breeze. Get ready to transform your garden with minimal effort and maximum results. The LawnMaster TE1318W1 is a corded electric tiller designed for home gardeners. It's perfect for those with small to medium-sized gardens who want an efficient and eco-friendly way to till their soil. This tiller boasts a 13.5 amp motor, providing ample power for various soil conditions. Its 18-inch cutting width and 9-inch tilling depth allow you to cover more ground quickly and effectively. Equipped with 6 durable steel blades, the LawnMaster TE1318W1 effortlessly cuts through tough soil. The rust-resistant blades ensure longevity and consistent performance. The mechanical overload protection feature automatically shuts off the tiller if it encounters a hard object. This prevents motor damage and ensures safe operation. The adjustable transit wheels offer 3 positions for easy movement and depth control. The foldable handles make storage a breeze, saving valuable space in your shed or garage. This electric tiller operates without gas or oil, producing 0 emissions. It's an eco-conscious choice that's also low maintenance and starts instantly with the push of a button. Compared to gas-powered tillers, the LawnMaster TE1318W1 is quieter and cleaner. You'll enjoy a more pleasant gardening experience without the noise and fumes. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,500 reviews, users rave about its power and ease of use. Many highlight its effectiveness in small to medium-sized gardens. One user mentioned it being easy to assemble and operate, even for those new to tilling. Another praised its ability to handle rocky soil with ease. Priced at $149.99, the LawnMaster TE1318W1 offers excellent value for its performance. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality or efficiency. This tiller is currently in stock, but quantities are limited, so act fast. Don't miss out on the opportunity to simplify your gardening tasks. Click the link to check the LawnMaster TE1318W1 on Amazon and read more reviews. Don't wait. Get yours today and experience the joy of effortless soil preparation.